Whoa. Back here? Okay. Whoa, I feel like I could get out now. Whoa. Okay, where is that dude? Where is he? I wonder where that guy is. Well, I don't know where he is. Maybe he's in a supermarket. Yeah, I can't find him at. Well, I don't know where he is, but okay. Maybe he died, I don't even know. Ah, that movie was good. Better check on that dude. That lightning dude pest. Wait, that portal didn't showed up. And he's gone? No. Ow. I don't feel so well. I don't feel so well. Uh, 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 well, I don't know what happened to him, but he probably is dead. Who knows? Oh, he is dead. Nice. I'm going to take his suit stuff, and I'm going to probably put it somewhere soon. Well, at least he's gone. There is still one more problem, but I'm going to bring this stuff up later. Well, there is a few more problems, but I don't really know what's going to happen now. So, only thing I'm afraid of is this book. I wonder if it is going to happen or not. I don't want it to happen. Don't know what those people are doing here, but I'm going to go to sleep, I guess. Well, good morning, guys. Well, I do need to get that dragon lord die done, but I still have some time. Ow. I still hurt a bit, but not that often. Yeah. What am I going to do now? I don't really know. I hope I see James tomorrow or whatever. So, Or I hope I see James tomorrow, the other one. Wait, I want to see something quick. Am I still want to get into this warp? Well, ow! Still can't. I wonder why. I don't really know, but since it's the 4th of July, I want to at least go for a party for the 4th of July. Even though it's sort of late now, so yeah, happy 4th of July, everybody. Since the fireworks are done, now I'm going to head back home and probably sleep. Yeah, probably going to sleep anyways, or just play. Probably just chill out. Jeez, what are you guys doing here? Still. Wait, jeez, man. I should love it where there are no villains, no bad guys, no sort of good but bad people, nobody. Yeah, I wonder what kind of do tomorrow. So, yeah. Yeah. Well, still need to fix that up, but I'm going to fix it when I want to. At least I know that there is still a universe where Cole and James still lives. But I don't know if that could be true or not, but you know. All I want to do is just watch TV, chill out, and get out of my house. You don't belong in my house. And I'm going to go take a nap.